Hey, it's James Nicholson, and right now I'm in Galena in Kansas City. If you look behind me, you can see the cars from the Cars movie here, and someone's made this incredible little structure here. Now, the message from this video is about missed opportunities. You see, quite often there are things that are right under your nose that maybe you overlook and you miss out on. And getting someone with a fresh set of eyes, a coach, or someone that hold you accountable to look at exactly what you've got under your nose is really important to getting success in your business. I've got coaches and mentors myself, and I find that they see things differently to how I see it, and they see things that are just bleeding obvious. And for us, there's various different routes on Route 66, right? And Galena is a place that a lot of people miss out because you can take a slight shortcut to get further down towards Oklahoma City and miss this place totally. But someone told us you have to get to Galena because you need to see this car museum here. And it's really interesting because if you look around, this place is totally deserted. There's almost nothing here apart from this car museum here, and they've got a cute little shop behind me here where they sell drinks and stuff like that. So someone's made a business and brought trade into a town where nothing really happens by making these little car models here and turning those vehicles into the car themed cars, and that draws people in. And since we've been here, there's been 10-20 people that have stopped, taken pictures, grabbed a drink. And you know what, this store behind probably wouldn't even be open and wouldn't make any money unless they had a reason for people to come here. So don't look look at your business with a fresh set of eyes. See who you can get into, maybe even come in for a day just to look at what you've got right under your nose. And when I'm coaching people, that's often the first thing that we look at. It's not all these new fandangle strategies. It's often what assets have we got right now and what can we use those assets for to generate more leads and sales. Because a lot of people, they have a database and they haven't even emailed it for months and months and months. And for them, just emailing that database is a massive win for them, and they can get great results from doing that. So think about that in your business, and that will make a big difference. If you're liking these videos, please give me some likes and some hearts. Comment below, ask any questions that you've got. And if you haven't got my book, Expert Mastery, yet, what are you doing? Grab a free copy now. I'm going to put a link above this video or below it, and you can click on that link, grab that free copy, and that'll be with you very, very soon. And if you haven't liked, followed, subscribed wherever you're watching this video, make sure you do that right now, because I want to get more value, more content to you, and you can follow along this journey on Route 66. Next stop for us is Oklahoma City. We're really, really looking forward to that. See you soon.